Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to download and set up OBS Studio to record your screen. Firstly, open your preferred browser and search for OBS Studio in Google. Then, click on the download link to be redirected to the download page. Once on the download page, locate and click on the Download Installer button to download setup file. Once the download is complete, click on the file to launch the installer and complete the installation. Click on Next, and then Install to start installation. Finally, click on Finish to launch the application. On our first launch, we will see the auto configuration wizard, which basically optimizes OBS based on our preferences. This can be further altered as per our requirements. Since I'm going to use OBS for screen recording for the time being at least, I have set the preference for recording. Then click on Next. Now, select the preferred resolution and FPS, and then click on Next. The output resolution might be lower than the preferred one, but it can be modified in the settings later. For now, simply click Apply Settings to finish the auto configuration wizard. First, we need to create a profile to save and switch between different configurations as needed. To do this, click on the Profile tab and select Rename to rename an existing untitled profile or New to create a new one. Next, let's configure the source to capture the entire screen. To capture the entire screen, click the plus or add button in the bottom left corner of the Sources panel and select Display Capture. You can give the source a name or simply click OK to proceed to the next window. Here, you can choose whether to capture the cursor while recording. I generally prefer to keep it checked, as I would like to capture my cursor moments. Now, click OK and let's move to a few more additional settings to finish the configuration. Let's start by setting up the destination folder where your recordings will be saved. To do this, click on the Output tab and under the Recording section change the recording path to your desired location. Unless you have specific audio requirements, there's no need to make any changes in the Audio tab. Next, in Video tab, change the video resolution to the maximum or as per your preferences and click on OK. To control the audio levels during screen recording, you'll find two volume sliders, one for the microphone and the other for desktop sounds. If you don't want to include these sounds in your recordings, you can simply mute them using the sound icon. Additionally, you can assign hotkeys or shortcut keys for each specific action by navigating to the Settings menu and selecting the Hotkeys tab. Here I'm assigning two hotkeys, one to start recording and other to stop. There are plenty of other options that we can assign and toggle them through hotkeys. Once you have finished assigning the hotkeys, click OK to confirm. Let's record a sample video and highlight some handy OBS settings that'll ensure a clean and distraction-free recording experience. As you can see, minimizing OBS leaves it visible on the taskbar. However, there's a handy option to minimize OBS directly to the system tray. To enable this option, head to the Settings menu and select the General tab. Locate the System Tray section and check the box next to Always Minimize to System Tray instead of Taskbar. This keeps OBS unobtrusive for viewers and allows for easy access once the recording is complete. Of course, we can also use hotkeys to end the recording. Finally, let's see the option to prevent OBS from being captured during recordings, whether through OBS itself or other applications. To enable this feature, navigate to the Settings menu and select the General tab. Within the General section, locate the checkbox labeled Hide OBS Windows from Screen Captures and check it. Then click OK to confirm the setting. That's it. We have successfully installed and configured OBS Studio in your system, and now we are ready to record the screen without any distracting OBS windows or icons getting in the way. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.